Good morning, dear students. I Vidyasagar welcome you all in the e-learning class of Modern International School Luswa. Today I am going to start subject History of Statistics, and this is chapter 8 on the first topic on the legend Asoka the emperor who gave up war. Dear students, as we know that in the ancient times Ashoka, who was recognized as the leader, great emperor of Hindus, and Asoka, he has spreaded the Buddhism, as you have already discussed in new question and ideas. There, the story started that Roshan, it clutched the crisp notes, and he was just badly dying for buying a new CD, which was given by his grandfather on his birthday. है ना, रोशन जो कि एक नई सीडी खरीदने के लिए बहुत बेताब हुआ जा रहा था, तो एक नोट जो है, नई नोट जो है उसे एक दादाजी के द्वारा दी गई। और क्या होता है कि वह जो है उससे क्या करना चाहता है, उससे वो सीडी खरीदना चाहता है। बट फर्दर जैसे ही वो देखता है तो ऑन द राइट साइड ही यूज्ड टू सी दैट वहाँ पे एक गांधी जी होते हैं, है ना। लेकिन लेफ्ट साइड में जब वो देखता है, देन हिज आईज गेट कॉन्टेक्टेड विद द लायन पिलर, exactly the lions. Okay, so now his mind was full of questions, then why these pillars, why these iron, why these lion, these are here. Okay, three lions are here. A very big kingdom is equal to an empire. Yes, dear students, as we have discussed that these are about the Mauryan dynasty, and Mauryan dynasty, it was successively coming from three ancestors. Like it was started from Chandragupta Maurya, then further it was proceeded to Bindusar, and further it was to Asoka. Okay, so these kingdoms become an empire. एक बहुत बड़े साम्राज्य की स्थापना की गई, जिसे सर्वप्रथम जो है चंद्रगुप्त के द्वारा किया गया था। एंड चंद्रगुप्त, who was generally a common boy, and Chanakya, है ना, who was a great person who having different ideologies, and he had just reported, okay, and supported Chanakya's name, other name was Kautilya, and many other ideas were also written down in that was known as Arthashastra. It means the Chanakya who had supported, it was a great day to Chandragupta, and Kautilya, he had supported because he was just Kautilya, or you can say Chanakya, both are same. So Chanakya, he has prepared the Chandragupta because one of his friend he has insulted in his court. So there Kautilya, or you can say Chanakya, he has promised and he has warned that one of my disciple will defeat you. And yes, Chandragupta, who became the great emperor, and he has defeated all the nearby areas like the Vaji, Vaisali, and all among the subcontinents. Okay, now like that, Chandragupta, you will see that these stones, these iron pillars on which these three lions are mounted, basically these are found in the Sarnath. Okay, and Sarnath is that place also where Buddha, he has preached his first sermon. Okay, now Asoka, who was the also greatest ruler of history and inscriptions, he had inscripted all his on the pillars as well as rock surface. Before we find out what was written in this inscription, let's see that why his kingdom was an empire. Now dynasty. When peoples from the same family they become ruler one after another, that family is often known as dynasty. एक ही परिवार के लोग जो है जब एक के बाद एक जो है रूल करने लगते हैं तो उस फैमिली को हम लोग डायनेस्टी यानी साम्राज्य कहते हैं. द मौर्यज वेयर डायनेस्टी विथ थ्री रूलर्स, चंद्रगुप्त, बिंदुसार, अशोका. CBA शॉर्टकट में याद रखना है. सो बेसिकली देयर वर द सम ऑफ द सिटीज where the empire marked with black dots, and basically these were the capital Patliputra. It means the capital the Patliputra, nowadays Patna, okay, in Bihar. These are considered as capital town at the time, okay. Then Takshila, which is in the Pakistan modern days, and Ujjain, that is in MP. These were recognized as the important places, okay. Taxila, which was recognized as the gateway to the northwest foreign countries, okay, while the Ujjain, it was laid in the route to the north to south, okay, where the merchant official craft person probably lived in the cities. So in other areas, village or the farmers and herders, they used to live in the central areas, and these forests where they used to gather produce and hunted for the animals. People in different parts, they also uh, spoke different language. They probably have different kinds food and wore the different type of cloths. Okay dear students, read the paragraph and keep watching. Thank you.